This is an emergency Bitcoin update. I had to get off the tractor and run down to my computer to make this video for you, as the Bitcoin price is currently dumped down, putting in a new lower low. This is very significant because for the first time in the past 4 weeks, Bitcoin has officially now made a lower low on a higher term time frame, and this is the key level that will determine whether or not we see Bitcoin dump down much lower or hold this last resort support. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell for notifications, because we are bringing you the juiciest and the most timely Bitcoin updates here on YouTube. So right now the Bitcoin price is getting a little bounce from this very key level, and we need to talk about what is happening in the moment. We're going to go down to the very low time frames and take a look at what this price action is doing. Now, first of all, why is price getting this bounce right here? Well, if we go to the Casper Crew VIP Discord this morning, we can see that the only long trade I was looking for today was wicking down below $29,400 with the following confirmations on market Cipher B: bull divergence on the 24-minute, 12-minute, and 6-minute. Now, when we take a look at what happened as we came down to this key level, we see exactly what we wanted to see to take the long trade. The money flow is getting higher on market Cipher B. The momentum waves are getting higher as the price dipped below and then reclaimed the level, strangely resembling the breasts of Sam Bankman-Fried, where as the price is getting lower, look at that cute little face, but the breasts, they're getting higher, the memory flow getting higher. This is a bullish divergence. So are we actually going to hold this level? Because this is a last hope support for Bitcoin. If we start to close candles now below this very key level of 29,400, it becomes much more probable that we see a large move to the downside, because when we look at these higher term timeframes, we can clearly see that when we had a very, very fast move up, there are many inefficiencies down here that could be filled just as quickly. And when we take a look at some of the higher term timeframes, specifically the weekly, we are starting to see the upside down Sam Bankman-Fried man boot pattern start to appear on the chart, whereas the price is making a higher high, the momentum waves are making a lower high on market Cipher B. So as you can see, we have taken the long trade here in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, currently locked in a take profit one. And that's the thing, guys. People are like, Jason, how do you have the balls to pull the trigger on a trade like this? Well, guys, when you have a clearly defined plan in advance and price comes to your level, you just take the trade without any emotions, right? You take the trade without any emotions and lock in profit, right? If you're not taking profit one here, you ain't blatantly practicing good risk management. Ain't that right, Uncle Joe? Come on, man! By the way, if you want to join the Casper Crew VIP Discord, where we give juicy trade setups in advance, like this XRP trade that we gave in advance, yesterday's New York Open live stream, and this juicy Bitcoin scalp long that we also gave in advance this morning, you can go to the website, jasoncaspertrading.com. Go ahead and click the link to join the community. Not a signals group, but you will learn a lot in this community. And if you actually want to learn how to trade the systematic approach that I use, check out the courses. There's a 25% discount in the pinned comment and the description of this video. Also, if you want to take advantage. Also, if you want to take advantage of longing and shorting Bitcoin and altcoins with very low fees, check out my favorite exchange, MEXC. 0% limit order fees, 0.01% market order fees, up to a $9,000 deposit bonus if you click the link in the pinned comment and the description. Also, if you're looking for an exchange that does not require a VPN or KYC, check out ZOOMEX in the pinned comment and description. My two go-to exchanges for trading. Of course, only sign up for an exchange if you actually know how to trade, because if you don't know how to trade, your whole life will fall apart if you try. So is this going to be a significant bounce or just a dead cat bounce? Well, when we look at market Cipher B, we can see that we are actually printing bullish divergences on the 24-minute time frame. We even see bullish divergences printing here on the 1 hour time frame. We see this on the lower term time frames, but in order for this to turn into anything significant, we have to reclaim the following levels. Keep in mind that we've officially made bearish market structure, which is why, although I have taken this long here, I'm still holding the short trade that we gave in the Casper Crew VIP Discord last week. I'm not going to be taking profits or closing that, because unless we actually reclaim some very key levels right here, this is actually starting to look very bearish. Key level number one that must be reclaimed for more upside is going to be $30,000. This is the value area low of the range. And so if we can actually now put in a high that's higher than $30,000, it starts to become more probable that we will form a nice bottom here and make our way back up to the highs of the range. So if we don't reclaim 30K, don't be expecting higher prices. If we do reclaim 30K, then we can actually look for a retracement and maybe even get into a long trade if we come back down to test the local golden pocket. Now, something else that we need to keep in mind here, all these highs that we formed along the way down, going all the way back to last Friday, are just pure liquidity that is begging to be stopped out. So we could very easily see a very big squeeze to the upside here if we start to form locally bullish market structure, first taking out that $30,000 level, maybe getting a retracement. We could very easily get a big pump to the upside. The second major level that we need to be aware of is going to be $30,800. This is the Fibonacci golden pocket retracement, and it's the value area high of the range. This is such a key level because once you form bearish market structure, meaning we have our previous higher low in the uptrend, we've made our higher high, now we're making our official lower low, we then look for a lower high, and typically the most common place for that to happen is at the Fibonacci golden pocket retracement, especially if we have confluence with the range value area high that we have right here. So this would be the second major area of resistance that we need to be aware of. If we can break above this area of resistance, I see no reason why we can't see Bitcoin hit the targets of the juicy swing long trade that we're in from $24,800 setup given in the Cash Recruit VIP Discord. Now, if this does not happen, we need to be prepared for a significant move to the downside because, as I said before, when we look at the daily time frame here, there are just a very, very smooth move up, right? In 2 days, we basically blast all the way up to our current price level, and we could very easily come back down to some of these levels. Now, if you watched my video this morning, you know there is one very important level of support I am looking at if we come down a little bit lower from here. But other than that, I would say if we start to close candles below this green line of 29.4, it's very probable that we will make our way back down to potentially the mid 26s. So guys, that is it for today's video. I wanted to come in, make a quick update for you all. Make sure to like, subscribe, click the bell. May God bless everybody in the name of Yeshua, Jesus the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed. And I will see everybody in the next video. Peace!